another thing I want to show is this scatter plot here. So that was before, that was for tertiary education, looking into 2010. Now let's go back into primary school. And primary school enrollment so the bottom here is primary school enrollment rate in 1960. And growth rate from 1960 to 89. So what we see here is this positive trend, which implies that, okay, if the initial level of primary school enrollment is high in 1960, the subsequent growth over 30 years or so is higher. That's the general pattern we see. And in the case of Korea, the enrollment rate was pretty high. If you think about in 1960, 1953, that was the end of the Korean War. In a matter of 1953, not many went to school, but by the end of the 50s, almost everyone went to elementary school. But what happened was the school facilities were, they're terrible. There were 90 kids in these elementary schools, but everyone would attend these schools. Education, I probably won't say it was terrific, but again, what it gives you is a sense of demand for education within the country, and how that would translate into learning other skills or other technologies or aspects that are important for growth, democracy, etc.